Should I get Venerean wax?
Okay, we'll ask na lang ate. Ate, pasuyo ako dun sa pakikuha yung Vineria daw niya at saka wax. Yung lagi niyang daladalang green na
I don't
flashes
like
niya.
garlic.
Green na stuff
Hi,
toy
is
niya.
anything grandpa?
Okay, thank you po.
Like onions and vampires.
Hey, is the spoon and fork? Pinapakuha ni Uwakix.
Vampires, it's onions
Uwakix
and
and Vineria na.
garlic.
Kain po tayo. Ito, siya may gawa niyan. Iniyupi-yupi niya. Ate, ito yung galing sa ref, no? Tama ba? Nag-refill ba ako nung mineral niya? Okay. Oh, yours na. Thank you. What did you say?
Thank you.
Look at ate, look at tita and ay nana na po, no? Look at nana and say thank you.
Nana, thank you.
Good job. Thank you po.